Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Gant and today is March 31st, 2018. We are on the Northwest Science Infrastructure Upgrade Project, the Gant Tunnel. This is our 9th video of the series. We're going to be taking you through the progress since our last update. Let's begin at the west end where we always do, travel to the east, and there's the existing tunnel. We've been waiting for the opportunity to tie into it. Now it's upon us. It's to the right-hand side of the screen that you see here. Most importantly, the storm drainage, the 48-inch running under UTEB, has been redirected. That's the square structure that you see down to the left-hand side and the round structure above. And now we can place the new mud slab, which will be in the next week or two, to tie the tunnel into it. So we'll pick up the pace as we fly to the east. So this section, tunnel, is now 100% complete. Soils over the top. And as I mentioned a while back, as if we had never been here before. Now as we move to the east, we're in the process of removing the temporary utilities and tying in the permanent utilities in this area. Now the tunnel is complete in this section, but it's a matter of tying the new utilities into the existing on Hillside Road. Now the UAS will spin around. We'll get a chance to take a closer look. We actually just swung back towards Jorgensen to show you some of the water lines back in that section right in through there. And these are the utilities, our final utilities to the east end over here. Electrical duct bank that you see. We can't wait to close that in. Over the right-hand side, we're going to show you the fresh air intake on that grate next to the sidewalk. There it is right through there. The new water lines we're passing over here, we'll show you how they tie in. We have a new storm manhole right in through here and sanitary manhole. The left-hand side of the building is Gant, Phase 1B. This amazing patio is going to be started very shortly. But most importantly, as we travel over through here, Jorgensen, we're going to keep our eye on the right-hand side. We have a beautiful retaining wall that's going to go right up next to this bank, the soil retention bank. Go back to one of our early videos. We showed you how that soil nailing was installed to hold the dirt back. And that retaining wall will start shortly and then backfilled in. Now a different look as we started the video, as we're coming back over to this section over here, this 150 mark. This is where we began, so we avoided the remediation work at the UTIB building. A little look back, as I had mentioned earlier. So this area that we're waiting for the mud slab will be in the next week or so through here. And a different look at the storm drainage. You can see the 3 structures in here. The 2 square structures are diagonally over the existing line. Pretty amazing how that new line runs underneath the mud slab. And finally, the slabs on the ground is where we made the actual tie-in to the tunnel. We made the cuts this week. We're going to take you down shortly and show you exactly where they were. Well, one thing for sure, last time we shot this video, we were at the end of the tunnel towards Hillside Road here. This was the large section, the mechanical space in here, and they've already started the backfill on it. Marvelous. So the end all the way to the west has been completed as far as the concrete is concerned. We're bringing the soils up through here. This will be the intake, so you have to bring fresh air into these tunnels, and this is the structure right here. So walking up a hillside on the way to Jorgensen, you won't even see the grate that's there. There's the pipe, big 36+ inch, that'll feed fresh air to the tunnel. But again, we're getting so close to burying some of these old existing electrical lines. So excited for that. Let's take a walk around the other side. Okay, getting much closer on the utilities in through here. We get a chance to see the new water main going up for Hillside Road. Over in here, we have a fire main in here also for future use. You see the existing line that was run temporarily up over the top here, up to that section right into there. That's a connection point that we're going to have up in that area over here. Little tidbit, all our water mains here are extra bagged in plastic right in through here. just to make sure. We have a little electrolysis that happens on campus that has a way of speeding up the corrosion. So going forward, all of our water mains are bagged in through here. And the new service that's coming out of the tunnel, coming up over through here. That's right. So as the tunnel makes its way down through this way, a lot of the new services that come in through here are actually tying in. So you can see here we have a water connection right over through here. We have the same coming up for the steam in the near future here. We'll take you through that. Storm drainage here that runs up Hillside Road right through here. Get a chance to take a peek on a quiet day, a little bit of flow. This all gets cleaned out after construction. Very nice, brand new. We call it reinforced concrete pipe, RCP. We're going to give you an opportunity to see inside a sewer manhole. Okay, and how the inverts are built. So a connection point, all the connections and sewer systems are done in manholes, in structures right in through here. You can see as the brick, they make it to the side. So this is a free-flowing invert in here, a pathway through here. Nice job. All right, everyone. The project has arrived, the same place where we started. We're down, moving back towards the 0 point. We followed through all the remediation on this column in through here. The big structures are in. We showed you in the overhead how they came in through here. The existing pipe over in this section right in through here. You see it comes down in through here. This pipe is much lower so that it can get across the way. There it is. How many times did we talk about flying over the existing tunnel? And there it is, exposed. We finally got an opportunity to get over here. You can see the footing down over through in here. Reclaim water, one of our first videos, one of the first utilities we had to run through here temporarily. That was an old hole. The massive cut here to tie the new tunnel in. You can see it starts, they make core holes, and then they tie the core holes linear in through here. And our first chunks have popped out through here. So you can't see too much inside. Got some great protection going on here to keep all the dust from getting into the existing tunnel in through here. Big progress. So the idea here is to remove all the concrete down in through here, and then we'll do the slab in here. It takes such heavy equipment to get this concrete out. First time ever we're standing on, we call 0.00, the beginning of our work here. Looking to the west, fantastic. UTIP building up over the top. So it won't be long now before the mud slab, the concrete slab, the walls go in through here, and we can get this area built in here. So pretty awesome progress since the last time we were out here. There'll come a time, maybe one more shot through here about a month or 6 weeks from now. And this will never be seen 575 plus feet of tunnel. As I also noted on the top, some of the utilities in the tunnel are going to feed the service lines down Hillside Road. Here's the steam lines here. This one here is going to come out and head up towards Jorgensen. This one's going to come out here and head towards the north parking garage and run that way. Okay, this will be the end here. So the utilities are run for as far as they're needed now. Remember, this tunnel goes on to our supplementary heating plant for our Science 1 project in the future. Very nice, but let me take you all the way to the end here. I showed you on the top a fire main. You can see here's how it discharged out. We saw the stack I showed you in a previous cut. And this is a little mechanical end towards the end. I showed you the fresh air that'll eventually be fed into this section right in through there. That's the pipe for the fresh air. And so to close it off, a temporary CMU wall was built through here, some angles to hold it in place. When the new tunnel comes up, this will just pop back out in through here. All right, and finally, you can just barely see 500 feet just about back through there of new tunnel. Electrical services that will eventually come back out of here. This is all cable tray up and through here. So the best way to put new utilities in through here, we have an access hatch into here so materials can be brought in, at a later date. Very nice. Cleaned up, ready to go. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it. Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.